Riders Istanbul! Yeah! It's really windy, and we don't know what to do because so we got changed and we're waiting the last minute because the wind goes down and because we all want to go, we all want to compete and do a big show for the public, but at the moment it's really dangerous and there's no way that we're gonna ride with this wind.
It's so crushing to have to make a call like that and cancel an event. I mean, completely wipe it off the map. It's something we've never had to do before in the history of a Red Bull X Fighters. And so tonight was really, I think, one of the toughest nights for me since we started this series. We had the guys go out there a few times. They looked at the track, they got on the hill, and you really could feel that wind on top of the hills. So unfortunately, once I saw the gusts getting in the 30s, there was no way we could hold the competition. We took the guys out there one last time and they unanimously said they didn't want to ride, but I think myself, our technical riding director, Drake McElroy, our chief of course, Dave Butts, we all said the same thing, and I think honestly, as hard as it was the wise decision to make. Right now, it's as if Istanbul didn't exist. It just literally goes away. We go from Glen Helen and we skip over Istanbul, we go to Madrid. So the challenge we have now is that there's 5 total events. Only 4 events will count before the finals for the throwout, which is going to pose some challenges for the guys that are outside of the top 5 like now. You know, say a guy like Danny Torres, because he's probably going to have to really, really work hard. Obviously, we're going to his house next, to Las Ventas in Madrid, but we go from there into a big course in Munich before we reshuffle all the points and then head to Sydney.